Hello, my name is Ana Jasmine Castellanos Torres. I am 38 years old. I am from Chiquinquirá. I live in Chiquinquirá with my husband and my son. I am a nurse. I work in the hospital 10 years ago. I am short. I am thin. I am not fat. I have dark, long hair and brown eyes. I have short nose. My hobbies are reading or link with my family. I like watching TV and news. I like listening salsa. I love the sales. My family is conformed by four people: my husband and my two sons. We live at the Colmena neighborhood in a big, beautiful house. I like playing basketball and be relaxed in the living room. Thank you.